Hello, Division 17. I'm here to talk a little bit about your math assignment for today. What the activity is we're looking at number lines and using the number line, not just as a way to kind of have us become more familiar with numbers, but also to use a number line to be able to add and subtract, just as a way where we can see something, we can see numbers as we move and bounce them forwards and backwards. Now, this may be difficult for you. I find it easiest if you speak it out loud as you're going through. So if you can take a look, it says at the top, what is missing? And it has all of these blocks in between the numbers that are on the number line. And the number line is just like a ruler. So if you have a ruler at home, you can take a look and use that as well if you want to help you. So we're looking and we're seeing the blanks. So 8 blank, we need to figure out what comes after 8, and then 10, and then what comes after 10, and then 12, 13, 14, and then what comes after 14, what comes after that, and then 17 and 18. So that's the first line, and then it starts to get difficult. So we're in our 20s here. Now remember, when you're looking at every one of these numbers has a 10 section and a 1 section. Now the 10 section, when you get into double digits, so once you get into the teens, so 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and all the way up to 99, the one number that is at the beginning is the 10 in the tens column, and the number after it is in the ones column. So the ones column, if you take a look, we've got 27, but the 2 in the tens column stays the same until it gets to this next tens, which is 3. So we go from the ones, which is the teen numbers, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, into the 2 tens column, which is 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and then we go into the 3 tens column, and that's when we get the 30s. So that will help you to kind of break down the numbers. When you're in each one of those tens sections, you can figure out which one is a greater number and which one is a number that is smaller by looking at the ones column if the tens number is the same. So the ones column will always go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Like in 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. See, the tens column is the 2s, the 20. But the ones column is that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So take a look as you move up, forward and back with those numbers. We're just trying to get a really good sense of what these numbers are and where they fit in a number line, in a 100 chart, on a 10 frame, all of those things. So go into each one of these number lines, fill in as many numbers as possible. Remember, this is grade 1 and 2, so some of it may be more difficult. Do the best you can with that. Then in the end, it asks, what numbers are still missing? What numbers are still missing? And then write these numerals on the number line. So if there are any missing numbers, then you can write them on there. The second sheet is called number sentences. And so this is just taking a look and putting together our number sentences by looking at the picture. So if you take a look, we've got a picture here in the first box, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 acorns that are on the ground, and then there are 2 acorns that are falling from the tree to the ground. We want to see how many acorns there are altogether. So if we're going to put that story in a number sentence, we would say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We've got 6 acorns on the ground. 2 are falling from the tree, plus 2. How many acorns do we have altogether? Equals 6 plus 2 equals, and then that's how many acorns we have altogether. So the same thing with the frogs. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 frogs on a lily pad. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 frogs that are swimming in the water. How many frogs do we have altogether? And then we've got our birds. We have 1, 2, 3 birds that are sitting on a branch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 birds that are flying in the air. How many birds do we have altogether? And then we've got some frogs here again. I guess this guy really likes drawing frogs. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 frogs that are swimming in the water. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 frogs that are jumping out of the water. How many frogs do we have altogether? And then in the bottom here, it's a make your own. So you get to make your own picture and your own number sentence that goes along with your picture. Be creative and draw whatever you like. If you are thinking about maybe unicorns, or maybe you're thinking about dragons, or maybe you want to draw about a panda or a monkey, or maybe you don't even want any animals at all and instead you want to do rocks or volcanoes or something different like that. Be creative, draw your picture, and then figure out your number sentence afterwards. After you finish these, please upload it to FreshGrade so I can take a look. I'm excited to be able to start seeing your work online and then being able to give feedback when it comes to that. So if you can't upgrade it or upload it to FreshGrade, please email Miss Medea or I, and we will figure that out for you. Or you can just send it to us by email and we can put it up there as well. Okay, have fun with your math. I'll see you soon. Bye.